Oh, this thing drives nice. Oh, there we go. Muscle memory's coming back. But this one and the XV-02 turn in much better. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rex. Today, we're gonna play with 3 different rally cars. All right, let's charge some batteries, pack this stuff up and go. Okay, we are out here with all 3 cars. That is an XV-02, that is a TA02, and that is an XV-01. 17.5 motor, 17.5 motor, 64 tooth spur, 64 tooth spur, stock gearing, 27 tooth pinion, 27 tooth pinion, 2S lipo, 2S lipo, 3000 milliamp NIM pack, 8.5 turn. All right, so we're gonna start with the XV-01. It's gonna be a bit of a tight course, it looks like. Let's just go ahead and drive the course. It's very rocky. Oh, I keep forgetting that's the turn over here. I might have rocks stuck in my steering area. Oof, bumpy there. Oof. On this very loose surface, I have trouble turning without power over. And I'm hearing belt noise now. Or gear noise. What's going on? What happened? The last time I drove this was amazing. Oh, something's not right. Something's not right. It doesn't want to roll anymore. I can feel resistance. Let me shut this camera off. Uh-oh, that sounds even worse. Uh-oh, we're done with the XV-01. It was a terrible drive anyway. The culprit is a gear cover. And look, you can see rocks in there. That's unfortunate. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and try the XV-02. In the same track, small track. It is bumpy and loose here. It's definitely harder and harder to find flat dirt for myself to run on now. The XV-02 is way more sensitive than the XV-01 and turns for sure. I like it. But my XV-01 is not set up stock. I gotta change it. I gotta put it back to good handling conditions. Because currently it's just set up for on higher traction surface. Oh, something got stuck. The rear wheel stuck. Probably a pebble. Let's try that again. Oh, there we go. Muscle memory's coming back. I'm figuring out what the car wants. You have to be ahead of it. I was reacting to it before, now I'm trying to be ahead of it. Ah. I'm doing more steering with my throttle than I am the steering wheel. This is fun. It could probably be a little tighter for faster lap times, but I'm having fun. Oof. Let's top the camera. The XV-02 is really fun right now. I need to change the suspension. I recently changed the rear suspension on that XV-01. I threw some Traxxas shocks on there with, I don't remember which springs, but it's clearly not working out for me. Oops, forgot about this linked corner again. That's a double apex. Something stuck again? I mean, I don't blame it for getting stuck. These rocks out here in scale are like boulders. Oh, this is really fun. Of all the times I've played with my two XVs, my 02 has never let me down. My 01 has definitely let me down. Maybe 1 out of every 4 or 5 times I take it out. User error, probably. Okay, let's go for the TA03 now. Now time for the TA02. Oh, what's that sound? Why does that gearing sound so funny? Is it the motor? Oh, this thing drives nice. Oh, this thing drives nice. Oh, that motor sounds funny. Or is it my gearing? I don't know. This is too fun to stop. Ooh. It's as agile as the XV-02. Probably because it's mid-motor like the XV-02. Oh. Ah. I'm getting blasted with this dust. Oh, no. Let's keep going. Oh, way too much speed there. I definitely need to make a bigger track. This one I steer with the throttle as well. All 3 of them. But this one and the XV-02 turn in much better. I gotta work on that XV-01. I gotta stop talking about it. It's not its fault, it's my fault. I don't think the dampers are long enough on my XV-01. It doesn't soak up the bumps like these two. These two meaning XV-02 and TA02. Great amount of suspension travel on those. And then my XV-01 is not the long damper spec. I guess I could make it. Ah, too much throttle. Oh, let's go turn off that camera. Ah! The 8.5 turn that's in here is way too much. Unnecessary. I'd probably be faster if I didn't have so much throttle to jam. Too much power and wheel spin's useless because you're only getting good traction if your wheel spin is close to the speed of your vehicle, if not matching. The more you wheel spin, the more you drift and lose traction, which is only good for certain corners. You want a little bit of slip angle, yeah, but not always. Ah. This motor's definitely too powerful, but I like it. What is the top speed? Let's see. Oh. Oh, that's a lot of power. That's too much for sure. What is that, like 500 miles per hour scale speed? Oh, battery's dumped. It's a NIM. It's done. Or it's hot. Alright, well, I'm gonna go blow this off. That was really fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about these cars, I've got more videos about these cars on the channel. I figured if I add all that information in this video also, it's going to take way too much time. So this needs work done. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it drives like junk. These two cars, incredible. These two haven't changed from my last videos where I drove them, except for gearing change on this one. This one has changed suspension and gearing and front differential. I loosened the front differential, I softened the suspension. I shouldn't have done any of that. I think I'm gonna go backwards. And if you like the video, it helps the channel out tremendously if you hit that like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe. Until next time, peace out and make it a great day.